Or
On the moon,
You're on the
discovering a
moon.
new species.
there you go.
Wait, discovering what?
A new species.
Oh, I thought you said new cheese.
Maybe that's the new.
Yes, you're on the moon.
You're
A new cheese.
You're trying to figure out if the moon's made out of cheese.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay.
So,
You're on the moon. You're trying to figure out if it's made out of cheese.
Okay.
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 You ready?
Yeah.
yep. As ready as
Oh. Okay. So first we need to walk around and find all the cheese that we can. And I think we should start by looking. Oh, here.
No?
Right,
Oh, wait,
over there.
wait. I think there's something here.
Yeah.
Wait, look. It's cheese. I think. I'll take a bite out of it. Ah, that's a rock.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe you just bit that rock. Was it?
Either. Like it looks so much like cheese. I was so convinced. Well, I guess I can't smell it through the suits.
Oh, wait. Here's one. Let's try this one. Here you go. You try it. It's cheese. It's definitely cheese. It's cheese. Please.
Oh,
There you
hey,
go.
cheese. God, another rock.
I was certain, dude. I'm sorry.
How could you betray me like
Let's
that?
go somewhere else for some cheese. Let's try this way.
That sounds good.
There?
There?
There.
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 There? There?
There. Okay. I'm very certain this one's cheese. You should try it.
I'm not so sure about the...
Come on, you know you want to.
Alright, I'm not...
Try the cheese.
Maybe, no.
Try the cheese.
You take it, you have it. You try it.
This one.
Oh no, I dropped it. Is that
No,
another rock?
cheese.
Oh, cheese! Amazing! Lies.
It was cheese when I tried it. Maybe it's just you. Maybe you're turning the cheese stale. I don't know. Maybe
Why-
the cheese on the moon doesn't like you.
Why would
What
it
am I
like
supposed
me?
to do that the cheese doesn't like
It's
you?
not my fault it doesn't like me. What if it's just a rock and you happen to be able to chew through rocks? I don't know. Where are you going? Where am I going? What's happening? Come back.